Imagine hitting the open road with everything you need to feel at home. A kitchen to cook your favorite meals, a comfy bed to rest, and cool tech to keep you entertained. Picture yourself enjoying amazing views while driving down the highway or taking on bumpy trails with no trouble at all. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome is here to make travel easier, more fun, and full of comfort. Ready to find out more? Let's go. Welcome back to VIP Auto TV. Today we're checking out the awesome 2025 Toyota Motorhome. This is not just another motorhome. It's a brand new way to travel that mixes comfort, top performance, and eco-friendly features. Whether you're planning a quick weekend trip or a long road adventure across the country, this motorhome is made to turn every trip into something unforgettable. Let's talk about how it drives. The Toyota Motorhome has a strong engine and a special 6x6 wheel system. This setup gives you amazing stability and control no matter where you're driving. From busy streets in the city to steep and rocky trails in the mountains, this motorhome can handle it all. It's built to work well on many different types of roads, so it's great for people who love exploring new places. Now about fuel. The Toyota Motorhome has a super efficient engine that saves gas. This means you can drive longer without needing to stop and refuel. It also helps protect the environment by producing fewer emissions. Saving money and helping the planet? That's a win-win. Let's take a look inside. The Toyota Motorhome is super cozy and practical. You can cook meals in a spacious kitchen with all the tools you need. After a long day, you can relax on a comfortable bed that's perfect for a good night's sleep. There's even a modern bathroom so you can stay fresh on your journey. The living area is roomy and made with high-quality materials, giving you a great spot to chill, enjoy the views, or hang out with friends and family. It really feels like home no matter where you are. Safety and tech features make this motorhome even better. It has GPS to guide you, parking sensors to help you park easily, and cruise control that adjusts to your speed automatically. A big screen lets you control everything and keeps you entertained. When you're parked for the night, soft LED lights and a great sound system create the perfect vibe. Every feature is designed to make your trip safe, fun, and comfortable. The Toyota Motorhome is made for all seasons. Thanks to its advanced insulation and great ventilation, you'll stay cool during hot summer days and warm on chilly winter nights. Whether you're enjoying snowy mountains or sunny beaches, this motorhome makes sure you're always comfortable. Let's talk about cost. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome is expected to cost between $130,000 and $150,000. When you think about all the comfort, high-tech features, and strong performance it offers, this price is totally worth it. It's not just a vehicle, it's an upgrade to your lifestyle, giving you the freedom to travel and the comfort of home wherever you go. So what do you think? The 2025 Toyota Motorhome isn't just for getting from one place to another. It's for making memories you'll never forget. Imagine waking up to beautiful views, going wherever you want, and creating stories to share for years. This motorhome is your ticket to amazing adventures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to VIP Auto TV for more cool reviews and updates about the latest vehicles. Hit the road with style, enjoy the journey, and we'll see you in the next video.